Good morning. Welcome to the forecast discussion for February 7th, 2018. It's a Wednesday morning, and we have some snow flying throughout the region as a winter storm approaches the region. Now, we are seeing a changeover already starting to take place along the southern New Jersey coast, and that's pushing into central New Jersey. Notice the winds are from the east. That's really important. Whenever you have an easterly wind, you can pretty much lock in, unless you have an unusually cold air mass in place, of a changeover from snow to sleet to rain, and that changeover can be very quick, especially over southern New Jersey, where pretty much we are in a rain situation for the rest of the storm. But as we head towards the Philadelphia metro, central New Jersey, and the New York City metro, we're going to be dealing with an icy mix this morning, especially right in the middle of rush hour, which is right now. And that's going to lead to some dangerous driving conditions. Now, we are going to warm up. This rain-snow line, which is basically our freezing line at the surface, is pushing to the west and north. But it's going to take some time this morning. And unfortunately, for those of you in the interior, you're looking at a real icy mess as we head towards the late morning and early afternoon hours before those locations change over to range. And of course, the Poconos, you guys remain all snow and sleet, making for the best potential for the heaviest snowfall in this storm. When we take a look at the surface map, our high pressure system is exiting the region. That's why we're seeing an easterly wind. If this high pressure system was able to lock in, let's say, to the north of Lake Ontario, this would have been a completely different scenario with some significant snow and ice for the entire region. But because the high pressure system is departing east, it gives you an easterly wind and allows this low pressure system to track from the Tennessee River Valley to southeastern Pennsylvania and then southeastern New England by the time we get to this evening. And that, of course, leads to a changeover to heavy rain for the region. On the latest radar, you can see that rain snow line starting to push north. Here's our rain changeover over southern New Jersey. We have a mix of snow and sleet over the Philadelphia metro, central New Jersey, northeastern New Jersey. And that's starting to build into Long Island as well. And of course, you have your moderate snowfall back here over the Poconos, northern New Jersey, and building into the Hudson River Valley. As this low pressure system approaches, this warm air will continue to push northward, leading to a changeover over southeastern Pennsylvania and really the rest of the coast, and even into Connecticut as that low pressure system approaches and drives warm air from the Atlantic all the way into northern Connecticut. The areas that are going to see the most snowfall will be northeastern Pennsylvania, the central Hudson River Valley, and those of you in central and northern New England, where snowfall amounts over a foot will be possible in New England in a few locations. On the water vapor satellite picture, you can clearly see the setup here where the pattern is basically not supported for any type of low pressure development along the coast, but over the coastal plain, driving in plenty of moisture into the region, leading to a pretty impressive rainfall, anywhere from a half an inch to an inch and a half of rain when all said and done. So here's what we're expecting with this storm. The snow has already started. We already see the changeover taking place in southern New Jersey, leading to pretty much an all-rain event. A trace to an inch of snow will be possible in the Philadelphia metro, central New Jersey, and over Long Island. Again, most of this is going to be on cold surfaces. We're already seeing some reports of that already, but then thereafter we'll change over to rain pretty quickly, kind of bypass a lot of the sleet and freezing rain potential. A little bit further north and west, like for York, Lancaster, the northwest suburbs of Philadelphia, into the New York City metro and southern Connecticut, we're looking at 1 to 2 inches of snow, and watch out for some icy mix of sleet and freezing rain before we finally go over to rain. It's not going to be as significant as what we're going to see further north and west in the northwestern suburbs up towards Allentown, northern New Jersey, and up towards central Connecticut, where we're looking at 2 to 4 inches of snow with, again, the potential for some significant icing with this sleet and freezing rain. Now, that's going to strongly depend on how fast the surface warms up. We're going to watch that very carefully throughout the day. The faster those temperatures rise ahead of that southerly and southeasterly wind, the faster we'll see that change over to rain and a cut down on the ice potential. Unfortunately, for locations like northeastern Pennsylvania, up through the central Hudson River Valley and up towards northern Connecticut, that cold air is going to be able to battle much longer, and that's going to lead to some significant snowfall, anywhere from 3 to 6 inches up towards northern Connecticut, and 4 to 8 inches over the Poconos, especially for the higher elevations. Those of you in Scranton, you're looking at the most snowfall in the region. However, the most snowfall for this entire storm will likely set up in central and northern New England. Watch out in these areas for some significant icing that will continue on through about 2 p.m. For the areas in purple. Those of you in the orange section, unfortunately, this is going to be an all frozen event of snow and sleet. So pretty much a nasty storm with a mix of pretty much everything thrown in. And for the morning rush hour, you're going to be dealing with an icy mix. And for the evening rush hour, pretty much heavy rain, but still watch out for those slick roadways. So let's dive into this forecast. For today, our storm moves through. Temperatures are going to vary quite a bit. Along the coast, upper 40s to lower 50s. Your northwest suburbs, upper 30s to mid 40s. And in your northern interior, lower to mid 30s. So a pretty impressive thermal gradient setting up over the region for today, leading to a wide variety of high temperatures. For tonight, that low pressure system starts to exit, and by tomorrow morning, skies clear and temperatures plummet. We're talking about lows in the upper teens to lower 20s. Watch out for that flash freeze. For tomorrow afternoon, high pressure will move over the region. Look for highs in the lower to mid 30s. Now on Friday morning, it's going to be very interesting. High pressure is going to be right over the region with clear skies and light winds. So locations where you have an enhanced snowpack, temperatures are going to be able to plummet into the single digits, possibly even below zero. However, along the coast, you have temperatures warmer because you don't have a snowpack. And with the clear skies, temperatures will range anywhere from the mid-teens to lower 20s throughout the region. High pressure starts to exit, we get a southerly wind, and temperatures rebound in the afternoon into the upper 30s to lower 40s. On Saturday, a weak shortwave will move through with a few widely scattered showers and variable cloud cover. Temperatures will range from the lower to mid 30s for lows and upper 40s to lower 50s for highs. On Sunday, an area of low pressure will move through the region with periods of rain, heavy at times, looking at temperatures in the upper 30s to lower 40s for lows and lower to mid 40s for highs. On Monday, high pressure takes hold with clearing skies, lows in the upper 20s to lower 30s, highs in the mid to upper 40s. And on Tuesday, high pressure starts to exit, lows in the mid 20s, highs in the upper 40s to lower 50s. And on Wednesday, another rain event on the way for much of the region. Could see some more snow possibly in the highest elevations around the Poconos. But for the most part, we're dealing with a rain event here on Wednesday with temperatures ranging from the lower to mid 40s for lows and mid to upper 50s for highs. I just want to point out for this entire forecast, the coldest period is going to be tomorrow. Thereafter, there will be no threat for any wintry precipitation unless you're in the highest elevations over the next several days. So mid-February starts to warm up and our spring pattern starts to develop, and it looks like it could get pretty warm for the end of February as well. That is your forecast discussion for today. Thank you for following NYNJPA weather, and as always, stay safe out there.